Welcome to the world where coding meets cash flow. Today, we're exploring the fascinating realm of wealth AI and how algorithms can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Now, you might be wondering, can a few lines of code really make me rich? Well, grab your favorite snack and settle in because we're about to explore just that. Wealth AI is like having a financial advisor who never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and definitely doesn't charge you a hefty fee. It's all about using smart algorithms to analyze data, predict market trends, and help you make informed investment decisions. Imagine having a crystal ball that actually works. Except instead of gazing into it, you're writing code. Technology-driven financial exploration isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. With the right tools, you can uncover hidden opportunities and navigate the complex landscape of investments like a pro. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to turn their coding skills into a money-making machine? So, whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, this video will show you how to harness the power of algorithms to boost your bank account. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even code your way to riches. The allure of wealth AI. Let's unravel the captivating concept of wealth AI and why it's turning heads in the financial world. So, what exactly is wealth AI? Think of it as your tech-savvy financial guru, powered by algorithms that analyze mountains of data faster than you can say stock market crash. In modern finance, wealth AI plays a crucial role by providing insights that help investors make smarter decisions, rather than relying on gut feelings or that one uncle who swears he knows the next big thing. Now, let's talk about algorithms. These little lines of code are like fortune tellers, but instead of using tarot cards, they sift through historical data to predict market trends. They can spot patterns that even the most seasoned investors might miss. Imagine having a superpower that lets you see into the future. Except instead of wearing a cape, you're just sitting at your computer sipping coffee and coding away. Now, let's take a moment to chuckle at the absurdity of those get-rich-quick schemes. You know the ones, promises of instant wealth with minimal effort, often involving questionable online courses or mysterious investment opportunities. In contrast, real coding and wealth AI require skill, patience, and a bit of humor to navigate the ups and downs of the market. So, while the dream of striking it rich overnight is tempting, the reality is that with wealth AI, you're building a solid foundation for financial success, one line of code at a time. Let's talk about coding basics for financial success. Welcome to the exciting world of coding, where your journey to financial success begins. If you're looking to create algorithms that can help you generate wealth, there are a few essential coding skills you'll want to master. First up, let's talk about programming languages. Python is the superstar here, known for its simplicity and versatility, making it perfect for financial algorithms. R is another great option, especially for statistical analysis and data visualization. And let's not forget about SQL, which is essential for managing and querying databases. Because what good is data if you can't access it? Now, let's dive into some simple coding projects that can lead to valuable financial insights. How about starting with a stock price tracker? This project allows you to pull real-time data from financial APIs and visualize trends over time. Or consider building a basic portfolio optimizer that helps you allocate your investments based on risk and return. These projects not only sharpen your coding skills, but also give you practical experience in analyzing financial data. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, don't worry. There are plenty of accessible resources out there to help you get started. Websites like Codecademy, Coursera, and even YouTube offer fantastic tutorials tailored for beginners. What about innovative money-making algorithms that can help you generate income and make your wallet a little happier? First, let's highlight some successful algorithms that have made waves in trading and investment. Take high-frequency trading algorithms, for example. These speedy little critters execute thousands of trades in the blink of an eye, capitalizing on tiny price fluctuations. Then there are Robo-Advisors, which use algorithms to manage investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They're like having a personal finance assistant who never takes a day off. Now, if you're itching to create your own algorithm for passive income generation, it's easier than you might think. Start by defining your investment strategy. Are you looking for dividend stocks, real estate, or maybe even cryptocurrency? Once you have that down, you can write a basic algorithm that analyzes historical data to identify potential investment opportunities. Think of it as following a recipe. You gather your ingredients, data, mix them together, code, and voila! You've got a dish that could serve up some sweet returns. And speaking of recipes, Coding is a lot like cooking. You need the right ingredients, a dash of creativity, and a pinch of patience. Sometimes you might burn the dish or your code, but that's all part of the learning process. So roll up your sleeves, grab your coding spatula, and start whipping up those money-making algorithms for a deliciously profitable future. As you embark on your coding journey toward wealth, be aware of some common pitfalls that can trip you up along the way. One of the biggest mistakes is neglecting thorough testing and debugging of your algorithms. Think of it like baking a cake without checking if the oven is preheated. You might end up with a gooey mess instead of a delicious treat. Always test your code rigorously to catch those pesky bugs before they wreak havoc on your financial plans. Another pitfall is relying solely on automated systems without truly understanding how they work. Sure, algorithms can be your best friends, but treating them like magic black boxes can lead to disaster. Imagine trusting a robot to manage your investments while you kick back and binge-watch your favorite show. Suddenly, you find out that your smart algorithm has invested all your money in a company that sells left-handed widgets. Understanding the underlying logic of your algorithms is essential to avoid such financial faux pas. And let's not forget the humor in coding blunders. Picture this. You've spent hours crafting the perfect algorithm, only to realize you accidentally set your investment strategy to buy high, sell low. Oops. The consequences of such mistakes can be comical in hindsight, but they can also be costly. So take the time to test, understand, and laugh at your coding missteps, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. As we look ahead, the future of wealth AI is brimming with exciting trends that promise to revolutionize the finance landscape. One of the most significant emerging technologies is machine learning. This powerful tool allows algorithms to learn from data patterns and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. Imagine a financial advisor that not only crunches numbers, but also learns from your spending habits, investment choices, and even your coffee preferences. With machine learning, we could see personalized investment strategies that adapt in real time, making your financial journey smoother than ever. But what does this mean for wealth generation? Well, we could be on the brink of a new era where traditional investing takes a back seat to data-driven decision-making. Picture this. Instead of flipping through endless stock reports, you could simply consult your AI-powered financial assistant, who might even have a quirky personality. Invest in that tech stock? Only if you promise to stop buying avocado toast. As these trends unfold, we might also see the rise of futuristic financial tools that sound like they belong in a sci-fi movie. How about a holographic investment advisor that appears in your living room, complete with a virtual reality headset, or an app that predicts market trends based on your mood? Because who doesn't want to invest according to their emotional state? While we may be speculating, one thing is clear. The future of wealth AI is bright, and it's bound to bring some delightful surprises along the way. As we wrap up our exploration of coding your way to financial success, let's take a moment to recap. We've seen how essential coding and algorithms are in today's financial landscape, acting as powerful tools that can help you analyze data, predict market trends, and ultimately make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting out, the ability to harness these technologies can set you on a path toward wealth generation. Remember, the journey involves understanding the right programming languages, developing innovative algorithms, and avoiding common pitfalls like neglecting testing and relying too heavily on automation. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in building a solid foundation for your financial future. As you venture into this exciting world, keep in mind the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. The landscape of wealth AI is ever evolving, and being knowledgeable on trends will give you a competitive edge. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on technology, finance, and wealth generation. Together, let's unlock the potential of algorithms and pave the way for a financially successful future.